Oo, depression is real. Pero ang pag-asa na galing kay Lord, mas totoo. Maybe you've cried yourself to sleep. Maybe you've prayed prayers na walang lumalabas kundi luha. Or maybe you're tired of pretending na you're okay. Pero pakinggan niyo po ito. God sees you. He hears you. And He is not done with you. Sabi nga po sa Isaiah 41:10, "Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." Alam niyo po, healing is not instant, but God walks with you every step. Hindi mo po kailangang kayanin mag-isa. Yung mga bagay na hindi mo na kayang buhatin, si Lord po ang magdadala niyan para sa inyo. And one day, yung mga sugat mo ngayon, magiging testimony mo po yan ng katapatan niya. So breathe, rest, cry if you need to. Pero, huwag kang bibitaw. May pag-asa pa po. May kinabukasan pa. May Diyos pa. Don't suffer in silence. Talk to someone. And always talk to God. Share this to remind someone na they're not alone. Maraming salamat po. Ingat.